Okay, so we're gonna. What is this challenge called?
The no burping challenge.
Oh yeah, the no burping challenge. And you drink a whole can of soda, and like you chug it, and then you
don't burp.
Don't burp, and see who burps first
Loses.
Okay. That'll probably be me because I'm.
She's
go.
a burper. Let's
Yes.
put on some jams, a little mix.
Ready?
Ready?
And go. I'm spilling it on myself.
It's really cold.
Ah, you know that like tingly feeling? Woo! I already have to burp. Okay. I'm pretty sure this is probably really bad for your body. Oh my gosh.
Hey, maybe
Oh my gosh.
if you jump, it'll make you
No!
not burp.
Shut your mouth. Mmm. Oh my gosh.
It's really
It's
cold.
almost gone.
I don't think I have to drink half of it yet.
Oh my gosh. I really have to burp really bad.
Then burp.
Ah.
Oh, dang.
Mm-mm. Keep drinking. You're supposed to chug it.
I know.
I'm gonna puke.
I know. I'm just gonna puke. I'm like vomit everywhere.
Then,
Fill mine.
jeez. Oh. Oh my gosh, I'm about to. It's like right here. Stop it! Oh, it hurts.
Oh!
Don't make me laugh.
Yeah, this hurts a lot. I can't do it.
Keep going. I drank the whole thing. Keep going.
If I puke, it's your fault.
Oh, I feel it. Did you hear that sound? That means it's about to come. No!
What was that noise?
That was my mouth. I was like, oh my gosh. It's still in there though, it hurts. Oh.
No, that was one. That's all of it.
Whew. That was painful. I have no more, I think. Oh, it's still in there though.
I feel it's like right here.
It's like all in here. Don't do that.
No.
That was bad. Okay, bye. Ow!
I'm about to burp.
Oh, I can't. But I feel it. And you calling me baby.
No.
I'm just like
I feel
puked
it.
all over the screen.
Don't let me was coming. That was like. Told you it was coming. That's why you peek on me.
I'm meditating.
She's money, she's background noise.
It's gotta come out because it hurts.
Oh, all mine's out. I don't feel it anymore.
Oh no. It's still in there. I feel like I'm gonna vomit.
I'm gonna try to drink the rest of this.
I'm never doing that again. It was terrible.
Well, dang, it's already forming. Just jump up and down.